Hi scale guys, today we have Deteco. This is Cardinal, model is AP-4K-C, and to calibrate these scales, when I first time opened it, I saw these buttons from the side like Terra and Net, but when I saw Cal is like it's like missing, and I think maybe I can't calibrate it, or this like sort of model which you can't calibrate. So but then later I tried to, this is like, try to look around and calibrate the scales, and then when I look from this side, you can see the button here. You can see button from this side. This is red underneath of the board, red one, you see it? So to calibrate these scales, you should turn them off. Get the screwdriver and press that button, and it will show you internal. Then you press net, you press net again, it shows you decimal point. We don't need any decimal points. You press enter, net again, capacity 4000, press net, unit 2 is grams. Now it's asking us to load about the weight which we will put on the scales, and by pressing Terra button, you go to the digit to the left, one more to the left. I press it again and one more to the left, and we will calibrate it with 2000 grams, which is 2 kgs. Now we put 2 kgs on the platter. Press net button, it's calibrating. Calibration done. We remove the weight. It's asking us about zero calibration, not load. So we press net again. It's calibrating zero now. Now it's good. And now we pressing net button. We don't need to change anything of this. Press net button until it goes to the weight mode, and when it goes to the weight mode, it's pretty tough button and pretty slow scale, so don't push too fast button. So wait, leave it for a couple seconds after you push the button. Now we put the weight 2000 grams, and it shows us 2000 grams. So the calibration is done. Thanks for watching.